Starting the session, children. So today lines and angles I am going to teach. In lines and angles, what and all important things are there? Let's see. I am solving the part and explaining you lines and angles. Nice. Very good. So let's start the class, please. Now listen. For lines and angles, last class we have done complementary and supplementary angles. So complementary and supplementary angles part, we have explained about how the angles, means sum of two angles was coming as 90 degree and then sum of two angles were coming as 180 degree. That were the two concepts of complementary angle. Now today what we are going to do, we will be trying to understand different type of angles. Okay, adjacent angles, what we are calling it as, and different type of concepts we are going to learn today. So first one is we are going to draw so this is exactly called as acute angle. So when the sum of the angle, good evening Bhavya, good evening Arunisha. Now look here, beta. When the sum of the angles is exactly coming as 90 degree, it is considered as what, Kanishk? It is considered as complementary angle. Understood? So what about supplementary angle? When sum of the two angles are coming as 180 degree, it is considered as what, beta? Supplementary angle. It is considered as what? Supplementary angles. Now, all the idiots are there in the group or not? Yes, supplementary angles and complementary angles that we have already done. So when the sum of the angles is exactly coming as 90, it is called as supplementary or complementary. Complementary, and the sum will be coming as 180, it will be called as complementary angle. Okay, now we are going to understand the next part, Avi, Anvi. Very nice, Anvi. Now look here. We are going to do the next work. Here it is exactly called as orbiter. We are going to now study about adjacent angle and acute angle. What is the meaning of acute angle? When sum of the angle, means here it is exactly you are going to take O. This is exactly two rays we are going to take, and the two rays, the angle subtended between them is exactly coming as theta, and theta should be less than 90 degree. Means here the angle, whatever angle is coming here, that angle should be less than 90 degree. Once the angle is less than 90 degree, it is exactly considered as what? Acute angle, or it is called as acute angle. So acute angles are those angles which will be between 0 to 90 degree. And we do earlier. So now look here, it will be exactly less than what? It will be 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree when we are talking about, it is exactly considered as what, beta? Acute angle. What it is considered as? Acute angle. 0 to 90 degree is considered as acute angle. Love you too, beta. Now listen, everyone please pay attention. Next part, what we are going to do here is, we were adjacent means like neighbors, auntie. Yes, absolutely correct, beta. So when we are talking about adjacent angles, we are talking about the rays which is exactly having a common ray. So we are going to draw like this now. Please understand this part. So here we are going to take a line, and in that line part, what we are going to do, we will draw a ray like this. Okay. So when we are drawing like this here, one very important thing we are going to discuss, that is, these are exactly adjacent angles, neighborhood. So one common ray, they will share one. Hello Tanisha, good evening, beta. How are you? So when the rays means they will have a common ray. What they are having? A common ray. So since they are having a common ray, the common ray will be exactly the neighboring two angles. Some will be exactly called as adjacent angles. So neighbor angles will be considered as adjacent angles. Okay, come on. Done? Till here done nicely? Huh? So get ready. Till here done nicely. So adjacent angles will be what? Neighborhood angles will be considered as what? Adjacent angles. In simple way we have studied. So no Bhavya, Anvi, yes, clear? Absolutely. Now look at it. We will be going to talk about acute, right angle, obtuse, understood. Then straight angle, and then reflex angle, and then complete angle. So there are different type of angles. Shanvi, where are you? So there are different type of angles. So all the different type of angles we are going to study today. Okay. So first we understood now what is exactly called as adjacent angles. Understood? Adjacent angles means the neighborhood angles will be considered as what? Adjacent angle. Ah, very good, beta. Very good. Study. So now, Nitya Sohane, good evening, beta. Good evening. New. Hi, Nitya. Now look here. So we are going to go for the next one. We are going to talk about the next part, and that next part is called as right angle. Okay. So now right angle means what? When the two rays will be exactly subtending what angle? So now let's check this one out, beta. So when we are talking about the next part, this one ray will be there and the another ray will be exactly subtending. So another ray will be coming like this. Here we are going to draw and the rays will be exactly subtending. How much degree? The rays are going to subtend how much degree? 90 degree. Straight we are going to draw. So this will be exactly considered as what, beta? This will be exactly here. So we will be telling oh down, 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 down. Camera dancing. Now look here. So this is OAB. So when we will be talking, so angle AOB will be exactly equal to 90 degree. This is exactly called as what, beta? Right angle. Understand? Right angle. So right angle means when the two rays will be subtending how much, beta? When the two rays will be subtending 90 degree, the angle subtended between the two rays, the angle subtended between the two rays will be coming as how much degrees? 90 degrees. It will be called as what? Right angle. So we learned first what is adjacent angles. Then we learned that the two rays will be subtending angle between 0 degree and 90 degree. Angle between which two degrees, beta? 0 degree and 90 degree. It will be considered as what, beta? Acute angle. Acute angle. When exact 90 degree will be there, it will be considered as what, beta? Right angle. What it will be considered as? Right angle, and it will be 90 degree. Absolutely correct. Now we will be going for the next one. So when the angle will exceed 90 degree, but it will be less than 180 degree. It will exceed. Hello Raghav. It will be exceeding how much degrees? But it will be less than 180 degree. It will be exactly called as what? Obtuse angle. Achha, can anybody tell me one question? Answer I am asking. Simple. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. The height will be drawn outside the triangle. Is it true or false? Obtuse angle triangle, the height will be drawn outside or inside. So look here, this is exactly the angle more than 90 degree. Understood? So this is considered as what, beta? This is obtuse angle. When the angle will be theta, whatever angle theta is there. So here theta lies between how much, beta? 90. It will be exactly what? Greater than 90. Strictly I'll say theta value greater than 90 degree and it will lie between 90 to 180 degrees. So it is exactly considered as what, beta? It is absolutely correct, Anvi. So now Anvi. So here the angle theta will be exactly lying between what two values, beta? Between 90 degree to 180 degree. Understood? So how we are going to write here? It is A O B. Understood? It is coming as what? AOB. So the angle subtended between obtuse angle. That's correct, Tanisha. But one thing I am just asking you that if I am going to draw an obtuse angle triangle, so 100% one of the angle of obtuse angle triangle will be more than 90 degree, and other two will be definitely less will be there. So that, but where the triangle height will be there, where the triangle height I can draw, which will be the height of the triangle, which will be the height of the triangle. Come on, say children. So this part if I am going to extend like this, so it will be considered like this. So here the obtuse angle triangle height will be outside the triangle. The shortest distance will be always the perpendicular line. But you know what? In physics, one concept is there. The shortest path will always not be the fastest one. Understood? Sometimes when we are doing the journey in physics, just one part I am teaching because I have just discussed that section. So the shortest path will not always be the fastest path. Maybe the shortest path can be the slowest path also. But here we are exactly talking about, what beta? Here we are talking about the ray and angle. Understood? So whenever we are talking about perpendicular, I'm from Chennai beta. So whenever we are talking about perpendicular distance, the shortest distance between the 2 points will be the perpendicular line drawn between lines. Understood? Drawn between what? Two lines. I hope you might have understood this part. So can we go for the next part? So this is what called as beta obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means angle is exactly greater than 90 degree but less than how much degree? 180 degree. So greater than 90 degree vertex obtuse angle on outside the triangle. Vertex of an obtuse angle on outside. No, it's not like that. I didn't said like that. I said that an obtuse angle triangle, if I want to find the area of an obtuse angle triangle, I need height. Understood? What I need? Height. And where I can draw the height? The height of obtuse angle triangle will be drawn outside. It will be drawn outside. So we are going to take the parallel support, and in that support, or sorry, parallel support I am saying, I am going to extend the base support, and from there only I am drawing the shortest distance between the vertex to the base. Understood? And that will be considered as height. That will be considered as what? Height. That will be considered as height. I hope everybody understood this part. Come on, say. Come on, say, did you understood this one, beta? So this is exactly obtuse angle, and this is the obtuse angle part. I hope everybody got this point. Come on. Okay, absolute. Very good, beta. So now we will go for that straight angle. Straight angle means what, beta? So if somebody will be asking about straight angle, what concept you are going to talk about straight angle? See, understand one thing. I'm just taking one center point, and this is exactly called a straight angle. What is the angle subtended by the straight angle is exactly considered as how much? 180. Exactly 180 degree will be considered as straight angle. So straight angle will be exactly consisting of angle AOB is equal to how much degree? 180 degrees. So angle AOB is considered as how much degrees? 180 degree, and that will be considered as straight angle. How much it is? 180 degree, and it will be considered as what, beta? Straight angle. Understood? So straight angle will be exactly consisting of how much? Okay, and it is coming as 180 degree. Now beta, come see. Till now we have understood what acute. Can you tell me acute angle limitation? What is the limitation of acute angle? Come on, children. 0 to 90. Absolute. And right angle? Right angle? Exactly 90 degree. Very good. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. Next one, absolute and weak. Next one, when it is exactly coming between 90 to 180. Straight angle? Exactly 180. Straight angle is exactly what degree? 180. 180 degree. Absolutely correct. Absolute. Do very fast start answering the questions, please. The speed is little bit slow. Understood? So you need to answer at least very fast. Okay. Now next comes the reflex angle. We are going to understand what is the meaning of reflex angle. So if somebody will be asking you the meaning of reflex angle as the name is exactly there. Reflex angle means we will be exactly drawing the reflex angle now. This and this is there. So now the most important thing is looking like acute. So but here we are going to draw like this. Understood? So from outside we are going to draw this. This is O, this is A, and this is B. So 100% angle AOB will be greater than 180 degree. Understood? Angle AOB will be greater than 180 degree. Come on, children, say angle AOB is greater than 180 degree. So when angle AOB is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. And less than how much degree, beta? 360 degree. It is considered as what? Understood? It is exactly considered as what? More than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. Understood? Absolutely correct. More than 180, less than 360 degree. Now, so more than 180, less than 360 degree, it is considered as reflex angle. What word we are going to say? Reflex angle. So reflex angle is exactly the angle coming between more than 180 and less than 360. More than, yes, Pragya, absolutely correct, beta. And who has Baljinder Kaur? You are also beautiful, beautiful, beta. So now look here. So now this is done. Acute angle, right angle. After that, zero angle means when between two rays, angle subtended is 0 degree. It is called as zero angle. Understood? Complete angle. Now we are going to go about complete angle and zero angle. Let's see what is zero angle concept. So this is one ray. Okay. I'm going to draw another ray on it. So now these two rays are drawn one on the other, and the angle subtended between them, is exactly 0 degree. So what it is called as zero angle means two rays are on each other. Thank you so much, Peter. I am only working for children. Good evening, Unnati. So, beta, we have understood this part now that when two rays will be on each other, that time the angle subtended between them will be 0 degree. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Now, last one, what is left is, come on, say beta. Last one, what is left is called as complete angle. So, for complete, yes. Hello, beta. So now look here, when we are going to talk about complete angle, this is one ray I am drawing. I am just changing the color so that you can understand. This is the second one. Only one work we will do. We will just draw like this. This is coming as what, beta? Theta is coming exactly as 360 degree. That means what? The rays are exactly taking one complete rotation. So what actually is happening here? Now look here, beta. What actually is happening here? We are going to draw a ray and we will try to understand this one. This is the ray, na beta. Now what happened? Another ray we have taken, children. Now look at another ray we have taken, and this ray rotated one total 360 degree. What it has been done? It is rotating total 360 degree. It is moving total 360 degree like this and coming. So it is exactly called as what, beta? Hello, Priya. Naam to likho, beta. Understood? So here it is exactly coming as यूक्लिड चैप्टर बेटा यूक्लिड चैप्टर का जितना भी नोट्स है वो और वो चैप्टर है इसके बाद में पढ़ाने वाली हूँ ठीक है सो नाउ लुक हियर एक्सियम पोस्टुलेट सब कुछ so did you understood this one beta so this is called as what complete angle beta is equal to what coming as 360 degree so it is called as what complete angle what we are going to call it as complete angle okay so now we are going to go for the next part Aditya. I forgot that time. Now, beta, what is the concept of vertically opposite angle? Can you teach me this? What is the concept of vertically opposite angle? Who can say this? Come on, children, get ready. The concept of vertically opposite angle and when can we have vertically opposite angles? Can two lines, parallel lines can have vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angle. Opposite angles are equal, absolutely. But beta, when can Pragya, when can vertically opposite angles are equal, beta? That must be answered, na? I'm asking vertically opposite angles. So when in all vertically opposite angles, if one of the angle is 50, so the opposite angle is also 50. This is also definition. This is also value. I am asking when can vertically opposite angles be equal and where I can make vertically opposite angles equal. Now look here. I want answer from you, sir. This is exactly there. Okay. And here it is exactly coming like this. Is this vertically opposite angle? Complete angle, where are you? Complete angle, now you are answering complete angle. I am asking vertically opposite angle. No, they are not vertically opposite angles. Understood? They are not vertically opposite angles. Sam, are they vertically opposite angles, beta? The answer is no. They are not vertically opposite angles. So now let's have a clear-cut picture. So this is one line and this is another line. Understood? When the two lines are intersecting each other, I am not talking about bisecting, I am talking about intersecting. Intersecting means, bisecting means they will be cutting it into two equal halves. What is the meaning of bisection? Bisection means cutting the line into how many equal halves? Two equal parts. Cutting the line between how many equal parts? Two equal parts. But beta here, it is not bisecting, it is intersecting, cutting at any 2 point, cutting at any 1 point, or what unique point is there. Contact point is 1. So now in that situation, what we are seeing that, now look at beta, those and all, please look here, Bhavya. Now this is called as vertically opposite angles. Understood? When the two lines are intersecting each other, when the two lines are intersecting each other, that time the opposite angles are considered as what, beta? Vertically opposite angle. So when two lines we are making equal, we can draw like this. Understood or not? And one more important point we must remember, when we are discussing about vertically opposite angle, this is one line now. So this plus this should be coming as how much? 180. Absolutely correct. Understood. So beta, this is one line and this is one line. Opposite line, if this is exactly coming as how much, this is also coming same. This is how much, this is also coming same. See, I have given one single line here, and how many lines I have given? Double line. Double line indication is this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. So what we can understand with this, we can understand with this means this is one line and this is another line. So sum of these two angles, this angle and this angle, sum of these two angles will be coming as how much? 180 degree. But beta, this is x, then this one will become x, and this is y, then this one will become y. Understood? And one more important point to be noted, x plus y is equal to 360 degree. This is again important point to be noted. X plus y is equal to 360 degree. So this is one of the most important point where what we are doing is not adjacent angle. See, opposite angles will be taken here. Understood? By using linear pair axiom, and we can take that, but vertically opposite angles are exactly, see, what we cannot prove by theorem can be considered as axiom. Understood? Axiom and postulates are not the same as that of theorem. Theorems can be described. Understood? Now a line can have infinite number of points. Is it a theorem or an axiom or a postulate? Keep thinking. Understood, beta. So small mistake children are doing. Actually, what is the problem here is you people are small child and you are not knowing how to handle these type of questions, beta. It's not your fault. Okay, so you need to understand these technical things. So now please pay attention. No 360, it is 360, beta. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. X plus x, y plus y will be equal to, total angle will be coming as 360 degree. Okay, I hope everybody understood. Total angle will be coming as how much? 360 degree. Total angle will be coming as 360 degree. Okay, hi Anvi, कुछ उल्टा पलटा मत लिखना, पढ़ाई का चैनल है, पढ़ाई करो. Okay, now come on, we will solve some questions. Are you ready for the questions, children? Now look here, I'm giving you one question. Okay, first question given. By seeing the angle, you have to tell what it is, which type of angle it is. Okay, your first question is 270 degree. Sir, I gave the question, check this one out. 270. Wow, Sam is telling greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree, it is reflex. The correct answer is reflex. Offline children has given the answer first. It is what angle? Now understood, auntie. Hey, it is reflex angle na, greater than 180 degree. 270 is greater than 180, less than 360. So it is coming as which angle? And Anvi is the first one who has given the answer 270. Now come on children, say me this value please. Are you ready? The answer is the correct answer is ready. Hey, the offline children again they have given the answer. Actually, Anvi, you are absolutely correct. The correct answer is acute. Socket high. अब मुस्कान कहाँ से आ गई तेरे ग्रुप में रे? Now it is reflex. So put your what you call first thing. You check that the red button is on means it is live. Then only answer will come to the point. Otherwise, when the answer is over, you are writing. Okay. So now come on, check. Next one. Shall we start? Aye. This is what angle? Come on. Offline children has given the answer. It is reflex angle. Are you all? Yes, absolutely. And be reflex angle. Arunisha, which angle? Reflex angle. So reflex angle is what, beta? It is more than. Very good. It is less than 360. Babe, absolutely correct. Next one. Shall we go for the next one, children? Ready? Complete angle. The answer is complete angle. 360 degree itself is called as complete angle. Zero. Absolutely correct, Anvi. Again, Anvi has given the answer first. After that, Bhavya has given. This is exactly called as what angle? Zero angle. This is called as zero angle. Okay. Now I'm giving you one question. Come on, start solving the question. First thing, what is given to you is. Take out a note, please. Start solving the questions. So this is exactly the two rays. Come on, children. Start solving the question. 55 degree. 5x minus 20 degree and 45 degree. Come on, Chahil. How much degree it is given is 45 degree. Come on. 45 degree. This is a line. AOB is a line. See, if it is a line, then only you solve. You ask the person, is AOB a line? So AOB is what? 90 degree. AOB, AB is a line. Directly AOB. AB is a line. The moment AB is a line, after that only we can solve the question. And the time starts now. Find X. Find X. Come on, you can do it. Find X, children. $80. Let's see. Anvi has given the answer 80. What about other children? Come on, say 40. 40. Without solving 40, huh? Show me the answer. Anvi told 80. First Anvi told, after that Bhavya told, after that ma'am X master पे भी वीडियो बनाते हैं. Come on, beta. AB is a line. We'll do it. Solve it, please. Minus 15. Huh? Minus 15. Wah, sir, wah. I will kick you from here. Seriously. Nobody is going to laugh. Minus 50. Innachi sir, how minus 50 coming? Now beta see. Since AB is a line. What is AB beta? AB is a line. So when we are talking about AB, what is AB, beta? AB is a line. Now the brain is coming. Now brain is coming. Okay. Now look at it. So here angle we will take it as C and we will take it as D. So angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle DOB will be equal to 180. Understood? Don't write linear pair. Straight angle is there. Understood. So here it is 55 degree plus 5x minus 20. Let's see who is correct. Plus 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. Come on, children. Now last part, what we are going to do. Now tell me 55 plus 45 is? Back. Super. 55 minus 40. 55 plus 40. 100. 100 minus 20. 80. 55, 45. How much? 100. 100 minus 20. 80. So 5x plus 80 is equal to 180. So 5x is equal to 180 minus 80. 5x is equal to how much? 100. X is coming as how much? 20. X is coming as how much degree? 20. But here they are asking X is coming as how much degree, children? लीनियर पेयर एक बार चेक करो बेटा. लीनियर पेयर का मतलब क्या होता है अनवीर? एक एडजेसेंट रे डालेंगे ना और दो एंगल जो इसके बीच का होगा उसको जोड़ेंगे तब उसमें डालना. लीनियर पेयर. पेयर का मतलब होता है बेटा टू. पेयर ऑफ शूज, पेयर ऑफ सॉक्स 20. And later if this angle they will ask COD, then 80 it will come. So if they will ask the X value is coming as 20 and angle COD value will be what? 5 into 20 minus 20. Then it will come as 100 degree minus 20 degree. It will be coming as 80 degree. 100 degree minus 20 degree. Understood? So this is exactly called as what beta? 80 degree. I hope we are going to go for the next question. Ready beta? Ready for the next question. Easiest question I am giving you. If the difference between, write it. Yes, you are correct. Yes. That is beta COD angle. Come on, children, say the answer, please. Yeah, now it is okay. Come on, you can do it. Go for it, please. What is the answer? 80 degree. Complementary angles are coming as 80 degree. Difference between two, you have to find two angles. How 80 degree will come? Check answer. 80 degree will how come? And we check it, beta. Difference is coming as two complementary angle is there. Their difference is coming as 10 degree beta. दोनों एंगल को निकालना है. यहाँ दोनों एंगल को निकालना है. Now it is correct. Kanisha and Arunisha, correct. They have given the answer. Now let's check. Beta, look here. Complementary angle is how much? One is 40, another one is 40. Now look here. Both the monkeys are giving the answer. Now let's check this one out, beta. This is how to solve. Now look at beta. See, this is exactly what we are going to do. This is A, O, B. Now this ray we are drawing. Hey, monkey. You are knowing you are monkey. This is X and this is Y. Understood? Now beta, sum of these two X and Y are complementary angles. X and Y are complementary degree. X and Y are what degree beta? Complementary degree. So here So x plus y will be equal to how much? 90 degree. But they are telling difference between complementary degree angle is 10 degree. So x minus x will get cancelled. 2x is coming as how much beta? 100 degree. Karish, you are understanding? 90 plus 10 will come as how much? 100. So 100 means 2x will be coming as 100. Then what is the value of x and h? 50 degree. Beta, one angle is 50 degree. What is the other angle? So x plus y is equal to 90. So y will be equal to beta 90 minus 50. It is coming as 40 degree. 90 minus 50 is coming as how much degree? 40 degree. Are you understanding this one, beta? Easy or tough? Easy. Easy now? Absolutely correct. 40 degree and another one is now little easy question. Now I'm going to give you a little tough question. Now write down this question, beta. Ready? Done? Tanish? That is Tanishk, no. Right. It's not Tanishk. Shall we go for the next question, children? Ready? Hey, monkey. Kar le badmash. Nothing. Amrish. Why are you killing the notebook? Next question, right? What type of friendship it is there? One page you are giving, and that too also he can't write. In the given figure, now look at it up. I'm giving you a question. Children, please write the question. This is the figure given to you. This is beta A, O, B, and this is C. Done? This is taken as X and this is taken as Y. Now till here it is there, beta. Now they are given the question, if X is greater than Y, if X is greater than Y, if X is greater than Y, by 1/3 of a right angle, by 1/3 of a right angle, 1/3 of a right angle, find X and Y. One-third of a right angle, find the angles. Means you have to find X and Y. Amrish, start solving. Chal, Anna. Chalo, you can do it. Start. No. Okay. Now let's see. This is a chocolate question. It can be possible. I did not claim anything. Come on. मतलब बेवकूफ रहने के लिए नहीं मिली हूँ सौरभ. What is the difference between pi and 22/7? Are both irrational or only one irrational? Think nicely. Difficult. थर्टी डिग्री अनवी एक बार फिर से चेक करें. हाँ 30 and 60. I don't think you need to think again. Children, try one more time, please. Try one more time. 60 and? No. 60 and 120 also not correct. 60 and 120 also not correct. Think nicely. Show your student in front of camera. My students are very super unique. Most of them are sleeping in home, and here three monkeys are today, and these three monkeys are solving questions with them. Hey, look it. Now shall we start solving the question? 31. Huh? 31 and 50. 31 and 50. Now let's see. See, first is AB is a line. Yeah? Add. Don't do like that. Monkey. Two. Now look at it. I am solving the question, please. 135 and that I can think of. Let's see. Now look at that. AB is a line. First we will start with this. What is AB? AB is a line. What is AB beta? Line. 180. Now angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Here you can see linear pair. Pair is there now. Pair of angles are there. That is x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Take this as equation 1. Now they are telling that x is greater than y. X is greater than y by 1/3 of right angle. X is greater than y by 1/3 of right angle. This is one of the most important part. X is greater than y by 1/3 of right angle. 1/3 means x is equal to y. So how we are going to make it equal? When y plus 1/3 of 90 degree, then they both will become equal. So how we are going to write here? X will be equal to y plus 30 degree. This will become equation 2. Understood? So now don't take it as equation 2. You shift this by this side. So x minus y is equal to 30 degree. X minus y is equal to 30 degree. This is equation 2. Now shall we add them together? So x plus y using equation 1 or adding equation 1 and 2. What we are doing? Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So when we are adding equation 1 and equation 2, what we are getting with the? Now you are getting x plus y is equal to 180 degree. X minus y is equal to 30 degree. So now beta this and this will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 0, 8, 9, 10. So 2, 110 degree is coming. So how much will come x? X is 210 by 2. So one angle is 105. Understood? So if one angle is coming as 105, what will be the another angle? So substituting x is equal to 105 degree in equation 1. So 105 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 10. It is coming as 75 degree. So what are the two angles x and y coming as? 105 and 75 degree. 105 and 75 degree. Now you people are correct only. So how was the question? Now tell me. You told easy question, easy questions. I gave a little question tough. Little tough also not we can say. It is a tricky question. Means the statement, only one part statement was tough. That is, 1x is greater than y by x is greater than y by 1/3 of right angle. That statement part was little bit exactly challenging. And other than that, everything was okay only, I hope. Now can we go to the next question, please? Ready? Okay, give challenge everyone. Start doing the question. Next question, right? Ready? क्या हो गया? She is asking me to show the students. Now look at it. मनवी वो लोग बाहर नहीं आएंगे. A, O, B, C and D is there. Okay. Now come on. AB is a line. Start solving the question. X plus 20, x plus 10 degree. Find angle AOB, angle COB, and angle COD. And the time starts now. Start solving the question. Come on, start solving the question, please. That's good. Anvi has given the answer. Today Anvi is rocking only. 70, 50 and 60. She has given the answer. 70, 50 and 60. Rest status, please say. Status means not your laptop, your WhatsApp status. Answer status. What? Got the answer? Doing. 70, 50, 60. Have you also got the answer? Yes. Tanisha also got the answer. 40, 50, 60. 40, 50, 60. And is it coming 180? Vishwajit. Good evening, Vishwajit. Ama. Anything. 40, 50, 70. Now, if you will be adding it, it is coming 180 degree. Anna. Say again. 40, 60, 70. 10 degree given to in-laws. Good evening, Vishwajit. Hey, say. See here, all the three angles, what you need to do? Only these three angles, I'm just removing this one. You have to just add all these three angles, plus, and equal to 180 degree. So it is coming as x plus 20 degree, plus x plus 10 degree. Now here it is coming as 3x plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. So here 3x, 30 will shift there, 180 minus 30. So 180 minus 30, 1 minus we are doing it. It is coming as 3x equal to 150 degree. So x is equal to how much? 50 degree. So here angle COB is coming as how much? 50 degree. So what will be angle AOB? Angle AOB is x plus 20. So 50 plus 20. They are correct only. Now online children has given the answer first. This is coming as 70. This is coming as 50. 100% this will be 60 only. So angle COD is equal to 50 plus 10 degree is equal to 60 degree. Now you understood anything what you are writing. This was the full question because they need to find the value of all these angles, the angle AOB, COB and angle COD. These are the three angles they had to find. Okay, they had to find these three angles. Alina, hello Alina. Are you ready for the next question, children? Yes. We'll go for the next question. Children, come on. Question is, hey, monkey. Easy question I'm giving you. Not at all tough question I'm giving. Very easy question giving. Now look at. I. This is A, O, B. This is C, and this is D. So angle AOC plus angle BOD is equal to, write down, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is 70 degree. Find angle COD. That is angle COD is equal to what? Come on, go for it, yeah. Angle COD is equal to what? More easy than this, what question will become? Hi, Ritu. Come on, you can do it, children. 40 degree, this much part 40 degree. Okay, Anvi has given and Amrish has given same time answer. She has also given 110 degree and you have given 110 degree. Two children has given 110 degree. Let's see the competition. Others, what about the others? Hi. Two children has given the answer. What about the others? Come on, say. Ganesh. Yes, ma'am. Without solving, Vishwajit has given the answer 110 degree. Come on, yeah. Tell me the answer, please. 110? Okay, now two children. Anvi, Vishwajit, and Arunisha. Three has given 110 degree. See, it's easy na yaar. What is there? This and this, sum of these two is coming. So we know na angle AOB, sorry, angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. That is which angle, beta? Straight angle, not linear plane. Don't write linear plane. So this plus this already given. So angle AOC, how to write in your notebook? That is most important. Presentation is most important for everything. Not here. Angle AOC plus BOD is equal to how much, beta? 70 degree plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Shift this one that side. So now finally what will happen, beta? Angle COD is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. It is coming as how much degree, beta? 110. Well done. Super. So I think all the students has done the answer very fast. It was very quick. Thank you so much. I hope everybody liked the session and you had a nice time here. Enjoyed. Okay, quick recap. Quick recap. Come on, ready? Quick recap. Everybody type as fast as possible. Syntax Garmes. Ready? Complementary angle of 50 degree. Complementary angle of 50 degree. Come on, start typing the answer. Complementary angle of 50 degree. Okay, still now not a complementary angle of 50 degree, 50 degree Vishwajit, 40 degree. First answer came from Bhavya. Next, supplementary, yes, offline children have given the answer first. Now say supplementary angle of 135. 65 degree. The correct answer has been given by here. Kanishk has given the answer. It is coming as 45 degree. Okay. One angle which is reflex. 180 degree. One angle which is reflex. Any angle which is reflex. Any reflex angle. 350. 200 degree. Any degree means 350 can also come, 200 degree, 200 degree will also come. Ganesh, for you question. Any angle which comes between right angle and straight angle. Any angle which comes between right angle and straight angle. Obtuse value say. Any angle which comes between right and obtuse. Any angle which comes between right and obtuse. Say any angle which is coming between right angle and obtuse. It will be which angle? Reflex angle? Very good. Obtuse angle. And obtuse angle is coming how much? More than 90. Okay. What is the opposite of complementary angle? Say again. Rahir Samir 40. 195. Opposite of complementary angle. Just kidding. See, supplementary angle, if somebody will be talking, you will be saying complete angle. Na? What is the opposite of complete angle? Complete means one ray will be exactly taking like this and coming 360. Opposite will be coming as 0. Not at all started. Here it is complete, one finishing 360 degree will be there. And there it is not at all started. So opposite will be 0 and 36. So I hope you might have very nice time here, enjoyed, studied. Okay, beta. Bye everyone.